Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Work of filling up of potholes, trenches going on in full swing in Mahe, but issue of stray cattle still unresolved. Petrol diesel prices hiked for the second straight day. Petrol in Goa now costs 104.31 rupees per litre, diesel 100.70 rupees. Police martyrs, late Head Constable Balram B. Shinde, late Sub-Inspector Abhishek Sher Ali Parvez Gomes, who laid down their lives in the line of duty, remembered on Police Commemoration Day. And now for the news in detail. DGP Mukesh Kumar Meena paid homage to police personnel who laid their lives in the service of the nation on Police Commemoration Day. Goa Police too has had its share of martyrs, and on this day it will be a fitting tribute to our local heroes, namely late Head Constable Balram B. Shinde and late Police Sub-Inspector Abhishek Sher Ali Parvez Gomes, who laid down their lives in the line of duty.
Police Commemoration Day 2021 was observed at the Goa Police Headquarters on Thursday. This day was instituted to commemorate national police forces who were martyred by Chinese forces during patrolling on 21st October 1959. This day is marked as Police Commemoration Day across India to pay tribute to the martyrs of the police force.
During the period of last 1 year, that is from 1st September 2020 to 31st September 2021, in all, 377 police personnel from different state forces and central armed police forces laid down their lives during the call of duty. CRPF topped the list, having lost 82 personnel of different ranks, followed by ITBP, who lost 54 personnel. While fighting the terrorist and other anti-social elements. Similarly, in other states, the police personnel lost their lives while fighting the terrorist and other anti-social elements. Now I read out the number of martyrs state-wise and post-wise. Andhra Pradesh, number of police personnel who lost 11, Arunachal Pradesh 3, Assam 7, Bihar 6, Chhattisgarh 32, Himachal Pradesh 4, Jharkhand 4, Karnataka 16, Kerala 2, Madhya Pradesh 15, Manipur 3, Meghalaya 1, Odisha 4, Punjab 2, Rajasthan 2, Tamil Nadu 1, Uttar Pradesh 4, Uttarakhand 3, West Bengal 17, Andaman and Nicobar Islands 2, Chandigarh 2, Delhi 6, Jammu and Kashmir 17, Ladakh 1, Assam Rifles 3, BSF 47, CSF 8, CRPF 82, ITBP 54, NSC 1, SSB 5, Fire Services, Civil Defense and Home Guard 3, NDRF 1, RPF 8, total 377. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, 4 staff of Goa Police died while performing duty because they got infected when they were on duty. To pay respect to those brave police personnel, today's parade is being held. On the occasion of Police Commemoration Day, I appeal to all citizens of the state of Goa to visit the website of Indian Police Service, Police in Service of the Nation, that is www.police.gov.in, launched by Honorable Prime Minister in December 2015.
William Rodriguez for Goa 365.
The PWD has started filling up potholes and trenches on the roads in Shillong. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant had promised to fill up all the potholes by end October. The work of filling up potholes and trenches is going on in full swing in Mahe. However, the issue of stray cattle still dominates.
This is the muddied Shorao Road. A few days back, it was dug up by the PWD Water Department to repair a pipeline. But the PWD left the hole open. It was later repaired after Goa 365 exposed the lethargy of the PWD. The trenches dug by PWD were left open for several days. Those were filled yesterday. Listen to locals who had earlier complained about the lack of interest by PWD.
आई मागचे खेपे तुम्हीच सांगलेले कोण सोडून आता केलं आता किती दिसता तुमकां सांगा
बरें दिसता न्हू
तुमचे परिश्रमाक फळ येले
जालें न्हू तरी ताका काल सांगलेलें तशें आनी दोन माती दोन कायले घाल म्हण आयकोंक ना ते हे सायटीक घाल म्हटलेले दोन
हे घालता डांबर घालता
हय हे घालतना अशें घाल म्हटलें कित्याक थोडे भायर वयता
मातशे भायर वयतात पूण हे इतले तरी केले तेंचे
हय इतकें केलें कालूच घातला.
Deputy Sarpanch Krishna Parab has started putting slabs over the gutters at Maye. The height of the gutter at Gaonkar Wado has been increased. As a result, houses get flooded as there was no way for water to get discharged. The way for the water has now been sorted out because of this work. However, the issue of stray cattle is not sorted out. Cattle have occupied entire road, sitting in the middle of the Shorao junction. Jawar Bharve for Goa 365 from Maye.
The development in Kalangut area is very haphazard. An example of this is that even though there is ample parking space at Baga Beach, tourists prefer to park along the roads, and so blatant is the disregard for the laws of the land that vehicles are lined up even below no parking boards.
A huge parking space has been built in Kalangut, spending crores. This is something that Kalangut MLA and BJP's Minister Michael Lobo crows about. But parking space is not being utilized as there is no action by the cops on the serpentine queues of vehicles are parked along the roadside during weekends, blocking everything. The Kalangut Panchayat has erected no parking sign at regular distances, but no action is being taken against these vehicles by the police. And heavy traffic jams, during weekends especially, are a norm. Reports say kiosk owned by a Kashmiri immigrant who is backed by the local MLA is the main reason the violations are being ignored. No one dares to claim these vehicles as most of them enter into kiosks of Kashmiri immigrant. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Baga.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Petrol and diesel prices have been hiked for the second straight day. Petrol in Goa now costs 104.31 rupees per litre and diesel 100.70 rupees. The hike in fuel price comes amidst a global rise in crude oil prices. Here's more.
Rising fuel prices in the country have hit the common man hard. Fuel prices in the country have hit an all-time high today following a rise in global crude oil prices. However, the government has been fairly silent on the soaring fuel prices, with more than 50% of the fuel price consisting of just tax. Petrol in Goa now costs 104.31 rupees a litre, while diesel has breached the 100 rupees mark in the state. Goans have been demanding that the state government reduce its tax on fuel since daily commuters have been hit hard by the high fuel prices. The rise in fuel prices has also led to a cascading effect on other commodities such as vegetables and goods due to high transportation costs.
हांव पणजे पेट्रोल पंपार आसा. पेट्रोल सद्या वाडला 104.36 आनी डिझल आहा 100.76. ही पळय डेली पेट्रोल 25 पैसे 30 पैसे वाडत आहा. पूण कितकी हे आतां हे पेट्रोल डिझल वाडलेल्या कितकी म्हारगाय जाल्या तुमकां सगळ्या लोकांक खबर आहा. पूण सगळे टमाटा बटाटे सगळे रेट वाडलेले आहा. तशेंच कित्याक डिझलाची रेट वाडटा म्हणून हेवटेन हे भाजी आनी कितें सगळे आयटम सगळे वाडत आसता. पूण सरकाराक अजून कांय हेंचे कांय पडलेलें ना. आतां पळय थोड्यांक आतां पयलीं 100 रुपयाचें पेट्रोल म्हटल्यार तुका एक 1.25 मेळटालें. तेन्ना पेट्रोल 70-80 अशें आसतालें. तेन्ना आमकां तो आतां हे पेट्रोल 100 रुपया पेट्रोल घातलें तूं कोणा आतां हांगाच्यान मडगांव वचोंक जाय वास्को वचोंक जाय तांकां वचोंक गावना. कित्याक 100 रुपया आतां 200 रुपयाचें पेट्रोल घालून स्कुटरीन घालून तांकां येवचें पडटा. पूण हांगा लोकांचो पेमेंटूय वाडना ते कोण गरीब आहा ते सारकेच मेळ्ळे कित्याक तेंचो पेमेंट कांय वाडना ते कितें प्रायवेट कामाक आसता थोडे ते बाबा तेंचे कितें आसता 15,000 कोणाचे 12,000 अशें हे टायम वयल्यान ते येवपा वचपाक तांकां कितके म्हयन्यांक 3,000 3,500 अशें पेट्रोलाक डेली अप एंड डावन करचें पडटा हितून कितें तरी सरकारान कितें लक्ष घालचें म्हाका दिसता पेट्रोलाचेर वॅट म्हाका दिसता चड आहा तो गोवोरमेंटाक कितें वॅट आहा तो सकयल देंवोवंक मातसो कमी करपा जाय हांव पणजेच्यान श्याम च्यारी गोवा 365 खातीर.
Mangroves have been cut and a 150 meters long road constructed at Mala, former Panaji corporator Menind Cruz alleged on Thursday. He said that he had filed a complaint with the Forest Department, CCP and other 7 departments. But besides the Forest Department, no other department has taken cognizance, he alleged.
A few days back, such an incident was reported in Miramar. Now, this is the second incident of chopping mangroves, this time at Mala. Around 40 to 50 mangroves have been felled and a 150 meters long road constructed. A toilet is constructed inside, but it has no sewerage. Is there no one to take cognizance of this blatant illegality? Many know alleged.
ह्या आयज प्रेस घेता दाखोवपाक की जो पर्यंत आमी बोबाव करिना ते पर्यंत कांयच गोंयांत जायना आनी स्पेशली म्हाका दिसता पणजेच्या शहरान जायना. लास्ट टायम मिरामार येदोळ्ळो बोबाव जालो आनी आमचे सगळे उदय टोणी सगळे आमी एकठांय बोबाव करून ते मागीर कितें जालें तेच पद्दतीन म्हाका दिसता आयज हांवें बोबाव करचो पडलो की हे मॅसिव्ह डिस्ट्रक्शन पळोवन म्हाका इतली दूख भोगली काळजाक तुका सांगना. हे पयले आसतले तुमी जवळ जवळ 40-50 मॅंग्रुव्स अशे कातरल्या आनी ही वाट केल्या. ही वाट आतां सारकी जवळ जवळ 100 मिटर मायज भितर आसा मॅंग्रुव्स कातरून वाट केल्या. हे सायडीन आमची पळय दर्याचें उदक येता बॅक वॉटर्स येता. हांवें विचारलें ते बिल्डरा कडेन ते कित्याक केला काय म्हणून हे वाट केल्या. तो सांगता म्हाका ते बॅक वॉटर्स येता ते उदक ते फावटे पडून भितर येता म्हणून. सी दिस इज अ नॅचरल फिनॉमिना. उदकाचें जाता तें उदकाचे बांद फुट्टा भितर येता सगळें जाता. येदे व्हडले आमचे मांडोवी दर्या फुट्टा हें जाता सँड ड्यूम्स येता देवानूच ते कोत्ता आनी ऑटोमॅटीक जुनाची 10 तारीख जातकूच सॉरी जुलायाची 10 तारीख जातकूच आमी देवाचें कितें करता सालोरेस म्हणून आसता तुमची नारियल उदकान वता ऑटोमॅटीक ते सगळें लीप जाता आनी गाडी हे भितर येता बोटी तेच भशेन हें आमी हे इतल्या कितलीं वर्सां जालीं काडली आनी तूं काडटा आनी आतां ही काडून तूं हें सगळें बंद करूंक सोदता उदक हें घालून माती घालून. जवळ जवळ 150 मिटर पळय तेणें रोड केला हें सगळें कातरून आनी टॉयलेट बांदला तेका सिवेरी वचपाक ना वास मारता हिंगासर. तो सांगता आपण आमी करूंक ना ओनरान केला म्हणून एकामेकाचेर ब्लेम घेवन पूण अल्टिमेटली हें सगळें करपाक कोणाचो तरी बॅकिंग आसूंक जाय. नाजाल्यार येतलो व्हडलो रोड 100 मिटर्स ट्रॅव्हिंग थ्रू हितूंतल्यान वचप मॅंग्रुव्स कातरून भितर वचून रोड करप इज कोणाचे तरी नासतना सपोर्ट जायना.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panjim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. Goan swimmer Sanjana Prabhugaonkar won the gold medal in the 200-meter backstroke girls Group 1 event in the National Aquatic Championships 2021 held at Bangalore. The meet has been organized by Karnataka Swimming Association under the aegis of the Swimming Federation of India.
Sanjana, who is studying in the 9th standard in RD School, Porvorim, clinched the gold with a timing of 2 minutes 28 seconds. Palak Dhami of Maharashtra got the silver with a timing of 2 minutes 29 seconds and bronze medal by Palak Joshi of Maharashtra with a timing of 2 minutes 29 seconds and 89 milliseconds. Goa 365 Bureau.
14-year-old Khushi Gosavi defeated Goa champion Anish Chari to lift the All Goa Carom tournament. In the men's category, Abhay Karande maintained his consistency and was crowned as champion.
Mayam's Siddhant Sports and Cultural Club held its first All Goa Ranking Carom tournament. It was organized by Mayam businessman and social worker Santosh Sawant. Khushi won the tournament after facing the state level champion Anisha Chari. Khushi is the first girl in Mayam to win this tournament.
खेळपाचें टीम स्ट्रॅटर्जी ही कळ्ळी तुमकां.
खूब वर्सां नंतर हांव
परत कॅरम बसले खेळपाक आनी म्हाज्या कडेन जी पडलेली खेळपाक ती खरीच बरी टक्कर जाली आनी हो टुर्नामेंट खरेंच ऑर्गनायजूय बरो केला आनी म्हाका एक मोटिवेशन मेळ्ळा की आतां हांव परत आनी सोडचें ना केलं आतां फुडें परत बरी टक्कर दिवपाची म्हाका आतां उमेद येयल्ली आसा आनी हो टुर्नामेंट खरेंच एक म्हाका एक फुडें आतां मोटिवेशनूच कशें जाल्लें आसा सो आतां फाटीं वळोन पळोवचें ना हांव ल्हानपणा पासून खेळटालें ऑलमोस्ट लायक 8 years I've started playing carom and to tell you frankly that I have not got like in Goa such a competitor like her. It was really nice to play with her and it is also giving me immense pleasure and I'm very happy and I have an aim that I will go to really do lots of practice and in trying to get first place next tournament.
सुरवेक सिद्धनाथ क्लबाचे हांव अभिनंदन करता हेरबाई देवीच्या आवारान हो जाल्लो पयलो टुर्नामेंट आनी बऱ्योचशो अडचणी आसतनाय ताणें हो सक्सेसफुली कंडक्ट करून दाखयलो ताका सगळ्यांचें अभिनंदन हांगा गांवांत एक उर्जा आसा सगळ्या लोकांची सपोर्ट करपाची प्रेमान एका प्लेयरांक सपोर्ट करपाची त्या दृश्टीन म्हाका दिसता फुडें टुर्नामेंट करीत जाल्यार हांगासर अदीक मोठ्या प्रमाणात टुर्नामेंट करपाची क्षमता ह्या गांवांत आसा
हांव मागता की एवरी इयर तेमी सगळ्यांनी करचें आनी सगळ्यांनी ताका सपोर्ट करचें टुर्नामेंट करपा लागून आनी हे कितें आहा तो एकमेका प्लेयराक मुखार सरपाक चान्स दिवचे.
Mahesh Govekar for Goa 365 from Mayam.
Now for the weather, monsoons are set to depart. However, the IMD said that light to moderate rainfall and thunder showers are very likely at isolated areas across the state. The weather will very likely be dry on the 24th and 25th. Early morning commuters are to remain alert of light haze and fog in the early morning hours at isolated places till the 25th. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.